Hello, and welcome to our Capstone final demo video for Palate. We're so excited to show you what we've been working on this past year. My name is Madeline Tharp, and I'm a senior computer engineering student. I'm the lead front-end developer for Palate.
My name is Stella Garcia, and I am a senior computer science student. For this project, I worked as the senior software developer.
Hi, I'm Ali Jamil, a senior computer information systems student at the University of South Carolina, and I served as the database administrator and manager for Palate.
I'm Jaden Evans. I'm a senior computer engineering student and Palate's lead backend developer.
My name is Nathaniel Oliver, and I am Palate's lead systems developer. I am a senior computer science student. Together, we are Need a Name Bro.
Palate solves the problem of uncertainty and complexity in daily meal planning and cooking, particularly for busy individuals like students and young professionals. It addresses the challenge of figuring out what to cook with ingredients already available in your pantry. Palate seeks to reduce the time spent pondering over daily meals and reduce dependency on fast food or takeout.
Currently, without Palate, people may find themselves stuck in a routine or lacking the inspiration to try new and exciting dishes in the kitchen. This often leads to a mundane and uninspiring cooking experience. Additionally, without a tool like Palate, individuals may be inundated in trying to discover new recipes. This can lead to missed opportunities for enjoyable and diverse dining experiences, all from the comfort of your home.
Palate addresses several key pain points. The first is a lack of culinary inspiration. It addresses this by connecting ingredients users already have with new and exciting recipes. Palate injects fun and creativity back into cooking and helps users break free from the monotonous procedure that is preparing the same meals over and over again. The next pain point is exploration and learning. This app encourages users to experiment with diverse cuisines and cooking techniques, which can be enriching for those looking to broaden their culinary horizons. The last pain point is an enhanced cooking experience. Palette makes cooking more enjoyable and less of a chore by providing tailored recipe suggestions through our dynamic discovery page. This allows users to be introduced to recipes they may not have searched for on their own.
Palate has crafted a unique tech stack, selectively integrating APIs and tools essential for the app's functionality. Here's an overview of how these technologies interconnect to build and deploy the Palate app. React Native is the core technology used for developing our platform. React Native allows for the creation of native apps for both Android and iOS in one codebase. We chose React for its efficiency in development and the ability to maintain a consistent look across different platforms. The Node Package Manager, or NPM for short, is used to manage the libraries and dependencies within the Palate app. It facilitates the installation and update of packages in React Native, Firebase, and other relevant technologies. NPM is a crucial tool for managing the environment and ensuring dependencies are up to date.
Firebase Real-Time Database serves as the back end for the Palate app. It provides a suite of NoSQL cloud services, including authentication and hosting. Firebase is integrated seamlessly with React Native to handle user authentication, including Google Sign-In. Firebase is optimal for data storage for recipes and user preferences, data security, and providing instant analytics. Its seamless integration and real-time capabilities make it an excellent choice for apps requiring quick updates and querying, like Palate.
Moving on to some of the APIs we used. Palate heavily relies on Edamame API, providing access to a vast database of over 2 million recipes. In Palate, this API is used to fetch recipes based on queries and filtering options selected by the user. This is pivotal for generating the core functionality of matching new recipes to our clientele's needs. React Native Calendars, a component library, was used within the app to help users plan and schedule time blocks for their meals. Users can schedule certain recipes on specific dates, aiding in meal planning and grocery shopping. This feature adds organizational value to the app, helping users manage their culinary schedules.
We used the Google Sign-In API to streamline the login process, allowing users to sign into the app using their Google accounts. This helps enhance user experience by providing a secure authentication method and ensures that Palate does not store personally identifiable information in the event of a data breach. While most technologies integrated smoothly, occasional challenges arose in interfacing between React Native and securing a database. Before committing to Firebase Realtime, our team considered PostgreSQL and Supabase, but weighed the strengths and weaknesses of each, with Realtime being supreme in user management and data handling.
Overall, the combination of these technologies provides a solid foundation for the Palate app, ensuring a robust, user-friendly, and scalable solution that makes meal planning and cooking a streamlined and hassle-free experience. Now it's time for the demonstration of the Palate app. First, I will log in. As mentioned previously, this is done through the Google API. Additionally, through the use of caching authentication tokens, I will only have to log in once on my device and Palate will remember me. Once logged in, I am greeted with the home page. On the home page, I am presented with the Discover option. These recipes are random and may offer some inspiration if I do not know what to cook.
However, in my case, I know I'm having a dinner party soon and want to make a chicken dish. First, I'm going to go to the filtering options. One of my guests keeps kosher, so I'm going to select that option. As it is also a dinner party, I'm going to select dinner as the meal type. Once I apply the filters, I will scroll through the recipes until I see one that looks good. The Gondi catches my eye, and I will add this to my favorites. Additionally, I will add this recipe to my calendar for the date of my dinner party.
Later on, when I want to have access to my favorite recipe, I'll just go to my profile page. Here, I can also edit my biography. For example, since I'm having a dinner party soon, I may want to jot down anything I need to remember about the party. My friend John is bringing a side, and my friend Tim is bringing drinks. This section is used to take notes of anything I might need to remember. Among my favorites, I find the Gondi recipe. Looking through the ingredients, I now want to see what I have and what I'm missing.
In ingredients, I see that I have most of the required components to make my dish. However, I am just now remembering that I ran out of turmeric making a dish the other night. I will add that to my shopping cart by clicking the shopping cart button. Additionally, I see that I do not have chickpea flour. I will now go to my shopping cart and add that to my cart as well. After I am done with my shopping, I will add these items to my ingredients list. Now, I am ready to start cooking.
Since I remember adding this recipe to my calendar, I will go there to see the event. If I want to, I can also add another event by clicking the plus button. Currently, I'm interested in starting to prepare for my dinner party. I will select the event that I've created and click Go to Recipe. The Edamame API does not store instructions locally, but instead stores the links to the website in which the recipe comes from. It is there where I will follow the instructions and make my recipe. Once my party is done, I can delete the event.
Finding and cooking new recipes is made easy with Palate.
With millions of recipes available, Palate will allow you to expand, well, your palate.
By organizing your kitchen on Palate, trying new recipes will never be overwhelming.
Your friends and family will be so impressed with your newfound cooking skills.
Let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
For more information on the Palate app, visit our website and GitHub repository for updates, data privacy specifications, and how you can become a founding member today.